Good morning, everyone. Today we will revise our chapter number 1, Plants the Producers. Yes, plants. Do you know about plants? Plants, these are the green lungs. Yes, plants are known as green lungs, and the life is possible on this planet Earth due to the plants. Yes, because green plants give us a lot of things like food, oxygen, medicines, wood, and a number of products. So these plants are important for us. So today we will discuss about these plants, which are the green lungs. Do you know plants, green plants are also known as producers? Yes, green plants are also known as producers. Can you tell me why they are known as producers? Yes, because they can produce their food themselves. And not only for themselves, they will just produce their food for all living organisms present on the earth. Either human being or animals, birds, everyone directly or indirectly get their food from, yes, green plants. Okay, so today we will study about that green plants. So when we talking about green plants, so first of all there is a kitchen of the plant, that is your green leaves. Yes, green leaves of a plant prepare the food through the process of photosynthesis. Yes, what is the name of process? Photosynthesis. Photo means light, or you can say which light? Yes, sunlight. Photo means sunlight, and synthesis means two putting together. Means in the presence of sunlight, when the some materials are putting together to produce the food, that is your, that process is known as photosynthesis. Okay, and that photosynthesis is only done by the green plants on our planet Earth, which is the ultimate source of food for all living beings. Now we will discuss about the parts of the kitchen of the plant. Yes, you are right. These are leaves. So are you ready? Okay. So first of all, can you tell me what do you say? This green flat part of the leaf? Yes, this is lamina. This green flat part of the leaf, base of the leaf, this is lamina. Okay, can you tell me the tip of the leaf? Name of the tip of the leaf? Yes, you are right. That is your leaf apex, and the part through which leaf attached to the stem. The part through which leaf attached to the stem, that is your leaf stalk. That is your leaf stalk. Okay, have you seen some linear structures on the leaf? When you draw the leaf, you have just drawn that linear structure now. So what are these linear structures? Yes, these linear structures are the veins, side veins of the leaf. And there is also a mid vein. Have you seen? There is a mid thick vein. What is the name of this mid thick vein? Yes, that is your mid-rib. So these are the different parts of a leaf. The tip of the leaf, leaf apex. The flat green base of the leaf, lamina, or leaf blade. We can also say as leaf blade. The linear structures on the leaf are the veins, and the leaf through which it will attach to the stem, that is your leaf stalk. And the thick mid vein of the leaf, that is your mid-rib. So it is the food factory. The leaves are the food factory of a plant. So they prepare the food. So let us find out how do they prepare the food. Yes, as you know, as we had discussed, the green leaves prepare the food through the process of photosynthesis, means in the presence of sun. Yes, in the presence of sun. So first of all, the chlorophyll. What is the color of the leaf? Yes, green. And why it is green in color? Due to the presence of a green color pigment. And what is the name of this green color pigment? Yes, that is your chlorophyll. So chlorophyll, it's very important because this chlorophyll trap the sunlight. And as you know, green leaves. So green leaves trap the sunlight with the help of the chlorophyll. Now for making the food, leaves also need water and minerals. Okay, so what they do? The roots of the plant absorb this water and minerals from the soil, and the stem conduct this water and mineral to the leaves. Okay, and now see, now the leaves need carbon dioxide gas, and this carbon dioxide gas they intake from the atmosphere through the tiny holes, with the help of the tiny holes that are present on the lower surface of the leaf, that is known as stomata. So with the help of stomata, green leaves take carbon dioxide gas. With the help of roots, green leaves take water and minerals. And with the help of chlorophyll, green leaves take sunlight. Now, this water, carbon dioxide, minerals in the presence of sunlight, is converted into food by the green leaves through the process of photosynthesis. And after that food, they also release oxygen gas and as well as water vapor. So this is our photosynthesis equation. Water plus minerals plus carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight, food is prepared and oxygen is released and water vapor also released.